In this video, I'm going to show you how to mask in Adobe Express. First, start a new project in Adobe Express and import the image or video where you want to create a mask. To do this, click on the Add option on the left side of your screen. Then select Upload and choose the image or video from your device. You can also select an image or video from the Adobe Express stock footage library if you prefer. To create a mask in an image or a video, the process is the same. After importing the image or video, simply select it and double-click on it. Once you do that, you will see different mask shapes available. These include basic shapes like squares and circles, as well as more complex options for portrait or scroll-style masks. You can scroll down to see all the available options and select the one that suits your project best. After selecting the desired mask shape, you can adjust which part of the image or video will be included within the mask. To do this, simply click and drag the image or video inside the mask to reposition it. This allows you to focus on the part of the image that you want to highlight. Once you've positioned it correctly, click on any empty space on your canvas to apply the mask. The mask will be created, and only the selected part of the image or video will be visible within the shape you've chosen. And that's how you can mask in Adobe Express.